What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. In today's episode, I will teach you how to remove the Shopify.com domain on your Shopify. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first, go to your Shopify and log into your account. So as you can see, this is the my Shopify.com. So I want to remove it, and to remove it, just go to your settings. Then after that, first just go to the plan right here and make sure that your plan gives you an access to, change your domain. So me, I think I have a trial version, but still it gives me an access to change domain. So after that, just go to domains right here, and as you can see, this is my domains I've been using, the shopify.com domains, and I want to change it. Just click connect existing domain and search for random domains you want to, For example, I'm just going to search it the domain right here and just click next. And right here the domain is existed and it's already on sale. So just want to buy this domain. After you buy this domain, it should appear right here on the domain section, and you can actually change your domain from this one to your new one, your recent domain that you actually bought. And after that, just refresh the Shopify website and it switch into your new domain name. And that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.